first day of our UK tour. And look at it.
Hello, Test Talk Mode, DMC, Intercom, Mode, Mobile Phone, 1, connected.
6 of us going. There's myself on a 1200 RT. Winks and Jason on their R1250 RS. There's also Ash on his S1000 XR. John on his new KTM 1290 Adventure S. And Steve on a Yamaha Tracer GT. I hate faffery. Thing is, we want to get it so that the water's not going to run into my gloves. We're all on Cardos, so we can keep in touch all the way. We've also finally all got our custom fit guards. Big John's turning up, I think, about 3 days before we actually leave it. Not going to be gunning it, not going to be racing. Main thing is we do the trip, we do it safely. That's me telling everybody 7:30. It's 20 to 8. Never a good start, is it? Start with rain and traffic. Going to be a total of 9 days, 8 nights, 9 days, and we're off right up through the middle of the country. We're trying to stay off. I mean, obviously first day is going to have to be motorway just to get us up near the Lake District, sort of break the back of getting up there. So 330 odd miles today, I think, might be slightly more, I can't remember. We're going to be staying on the M6 in one of the travel lodges on there. But tomorrow will be the start of it proper, really. Today, as I say, is just getting up to there, get the back of it broken, and then tomorrow's through the Forest of Bowland, Yorkshire Dales, and then on up through the Kendal, across the border, and into Scotland. Okay Google.
Okay Google.
Call Winks.
Winx Club is an Italian animated series that aired from 2004 to 2019 and starred Gemma Donati, Domitia D'Amico and Elizabeth Gillies.
So it looks like Google is just as bad as the Cardo. Okay Google.
Okay Google.
Call Winks.
Calling Winx.
Hooray!
Morning.
Bike won't start.
Yours won't.
I'm joking, chuck kettle on.
Yeah, alright. Is Ash with you?
No, I told him to come to yours for about 7:30.
Oh, okay.
What's time now?
He might have just turned up. Yeah, he's already here.
Oh, he's turned up, is he? I'll just buy home bargains, gone past there.
Okay, mate.
Alright, see you soon. you hear me?
Yeah.
If you keep going, I'm just going to pull in that lay-by. I just want to double check I've got the bag with all the leads in it. I'm sure I have. You know when you get that nag in your head thinking, oh, have I got that?
Well, see, you got your oldie dry bag on.
Yeah. I thought I'll bring that for me trainers and me sandals, and then with me dirty washing, I can chuck all in there, and then they're not in the bags with me clean clothes.
I was just thinking I should have bought my big one and put 2 leg holes in it and worn it. Tell you what, let's do a bit of this stuff here. Oh, yeah. Give it a go.
Do some of Nigel's dodgy overtaking.
Plenty of room.
Right, we're recording.
Do you see the look on the driver's face?
No. I can see the whites of his eyes.
Yeah. That's funny, I got a real close-up view of that. Right, Michael's got his camera on. Gave it away.
I think it's pointing at me actually. I don't know. Now, why the is this just 50? Honestly,
I know.
to make it interesting, stick it on cruise at 50 and just carry on down the road. I think I might need a sighting lap first. And not having the back of Steve's bike in the way might help as well. Get out, Wicks! Just tuck your tyres in. I'm not going on it, I'll end up falling off in one thing.
Go on, Jason.
Go on then, next one! Another 5 miles on here.
Well, we are.
2 weeks for our other parked in. Here we go, come on Steve, there, catch us that. Oh, off road. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, knobbers, don't forget it's northbound.
Yeah, don't go south.
Hello. Carry it on. Right, it's alright, it's open now. Thank you. Come on. Hello. I'll wait here for the... Yeah, I got cars, I did. feels like you're in France doing that.
Yeah.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm through. Nigel's still at the doodah.
Where's the button then to talk to him?
Your call is important.
What's up, mate?
A member of our team will be with you
John
as soon
Tuck.
as possible.
Hello?
No, just hang on, sir.
Not one fucking for anyone
Okay,
else.
do you want to try your card now?
I put the card there, but it's not.
For me.
Come what? Sorry.
Try your card again.
Lovely. Thank you.
Okay, love, take care.
Yeah, then says cheese or something. This is where Nigel paid for the wrong fuel, and John moaned about the sat nav. Right, let's see if I've got moisture in my phone. Oh, that's the next thing. Hey, no moisture. You're really quiet. Really quiet. Oh, that's better.
I didn't do anything.
It is quiet though, John, compared to other people.
I don't know why.
Maybe you're just softly spoken. Is that 60, right? Yeah. Oh wow, very pretty. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is delish. Oh.
hairpins. Left, left. Incoming. Oh shit, Audi. Yeah, you've done well. Ah, very quaint. Careful of the sheep. Oh, look at it though, it's beautiful. Lovely. Yeah, come on John, make sure you're paying attention, John. Oh. John, your box. Oh, that was good of him. Now this is steep. Beautiful, isn't it? Shit, first gear, first gear. We haven't all got a handbrake.
It's falling out the sky.
Oh shit on it! Oh shit! Ah! First gear and don't touch the clutch. God, look at this road on the sat nav, you know. Beautiful. Catch us up. Oh, you know, it's trying to throw me off. Oh, me, John, look at all these stone walls. Me. Cool, this gets a bit tight. Oh! Launch. Oh! You know. Elevation change. Oh, me. Weldon, his wife's coming. This chap's in aerodynamic mode. Oh yeah, speed camera, speed camera. That was a good spot. Who was that? Was that Winks? Ah. Yeah, let him go, let him go. He don't go up to 60, no. Oh no, he has to sit himself down. Where are you going or not? He's a bit underpowered. Oh, he's got to get into the tuck. He's getting into the tuck. He's into the... Oh shit, he's going to end up in that lorry. Get it off. He's got his foot up on the indicator or some shit. What are you doing? Yeah, I've got it on. He's going to go up the inside now. Go up the inside of the 107. Oh no, please don't overtake there. Yeah.